The rains have been truly a blessing to us as a nation. We have seen a lot of turnaround because of the rains, but also we have the challenge now of floods in different areas, and therefore it is important for us to be proactive in terms of what interventions can we make. There are citizens living in very dangerous places, and those are the most vulnerable at this point. And I'm happy the Minister for Energy is here so that we can begin to inform citizens if they are in places that poses danger to them, we begin to relocate them. I already told the National Youth Service to provide some land for us to relocate some of the people who are in the most dangerous parts of Nairobi. I had a conversation with Governor yesterday. I had a conversation with the DG of NIS. I had a conversation with the Ministry of ASAL and the CS Malonza. And so I think in that context, what are the flashpoints and how do we, ahead of time, deal with those flashpoints? How do we mobilize members of the national government administration to support all this effort? Interior should be at the center of it. And then I also asked the military, and I'm happy the Minister for Defense is here, to provide some of the capabilities they have to support citizens. I was very happy yesterday they worked with our teams in different parts of the country, including Machakos and other areas. So I think we just need to put everybody on the alert so that we can overcome this short season. I think they're saying in the next 3 or so days, as we also encourage the farmers and others to continue with what they have to do.
The multi-agency emergency response center has been activated from 4 p.m. this afternoon and shall be domiciled at Nyayo House to monitor what is happening across the country and initiate immediate interventions to save lives and property. All internally displaced persons will be facilitated to find alternative settlement. In extreme cases, the National Youth Service will provide shelter to the most vulnerable members of our society. We request the people of Kenya to cooperate in this exercise for their own safety and those of their families. The affected households will be provided with foods and non-food items. Again, I will tomorrow chair a committee on national disaster response, incorporating all stakeholders, including our development partners and humanitarian agencies. The outlook for the next week indicates that the country will receive above normal rainfall across the country. In that regard, all members of the public are urged to exercise caution while traveling and where they are in lowlands to move to higher grounds. On a daily basis, daily alerts will be issued to the people of Kenya to inform them of what is happening in areas where there is obvious danger and to appeal to them to cooperate with government agencies and other partners so that we save lives and livelihoods. In conclusion, we appeal to the people of Kenya as government intervenes to also take responsibility of their own safety. Kenyans are requested to be careful and not to dare nature because it is dangerous to do so. The government, under the leadership of President William Ruto, will do whatever it takes, will apply all the required resources in terms of money and personnel to make sure that lives are not lost and the people of Kenya are protected from this disaster.